If you want to make money, if you want to make real money online, guys, trust me, then you have to pay attention to everything I'm going to tell you in today's video. I'm going to show you the 3 legit way to earn money online. So watch the video to the very end and start any of this. Do you know that there's a lot of companies online that they want you and I to promote their services and products and earn some commissions? Yes, affiliate marketing has been the traditional way to earn money online. With affiliate marketing, you just promote companies' product or services, and anytime somebody signs up, purchase their product, you earn a commission on that. It's very simple. All you have to do is to visit any of those affiliate marketing websites, and to do that, just open your browser and search affiliate marketing programs. You can sign up with any of them, but don't worry, I'm gonna make everything simple for you. All right, I'm gonna give you a special website that when you visit, there's a lot of affiliate marketing programs. You can sign up with any of them. So if you are in Nigeria, Kenya, any part of Africa, worldwide, the name of this website is ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. All you have to do is to sign up on ClickBank, register with any of the affiliate marketing program. You can create a website or promote that link on your social media platforms. If you want to know the step-by-step how to promote the links, then subscribe to the channel and I will come back and show you. So sign up and start making money online with your laptop or mobile phone together with internet access. It's very simple. Moving on to the next way to make money online. If you know how to cook, you can entertain people, you are good in sport, politics, spiritualism, motivation, then it's time for you to start content creation. Now people are making a lot of money from these social media platforms: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Go and sign up, register, and the interesting part is that it costs $0 to start any of these content creation. For instance, if you're a lady and you are good in cooking, the best thing to do right now is to create a YouTube channel and take people through how to prepare the different kinds of meals, whether continental or local dishes. And when you meet the 2 criteria for monetization, the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, you will be making a lot of money on YouTube. You can also do the same thing on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. All right, so instead of you being a TikToker, following people on IG, doing a whole lot with your time, you can start content creation. And if you don't believe, just visit this website, socialblade.com, and type any of your favorite YouTube channels, and you will see the dollars that they are earning at the end of the month or at the end of the year. So if you are looking for the legit way, the trusted way, the ways that people are making online, which are proven to work, is to start content creation. If you have some money on you and you know you're not going to touch it within this month, next year, this money will be at the bank, it will be in your low-yield savings account, or it will be on your Momo. The best thing that you can do is to buy dividend stocks. All right, so when you buy dividend stocks, you own a piece of cake in that company. For instance, if you buy Apple stock, meaning you own a fraction of the Apple company. So anytime Apple makes more profit, you will get your interest in the form of dividends. So the best thing to do is to start investing your money. And you're gonna ask me, Speezy, how can I do that? Don't worry, by the end of today's video, I'm gonna give you a legit app that you can use to invest into the US stock, the Hong Kong stock, the Chinese stocks, or even trade in the Ghana stock exchange market. It's very simple. So if you have some few dollars on you, or there's a lot of money in your bank account and you are earning 0 interest or some few interest, I will advise you to move that money and start investing them. If you want to become a wealthy person, if you want to become a successful person, a full-time multi-millionaire, then stay away from the banks, because the banks are using your money to make a lot of money. For you to make more money, invest that money. So you're going to ask me, how can you do that? I'm going to give you some mobile apps that you can download right now, sign up and start investing your money. All right, so if you're in Ghana and you want to invest into the Ghana Stock Exchange market. Invest into Anglo Gold Ashantis, buy MTN shares, invest into Farm Milk, invest into big banks in Ghana. You can use IC Wealth. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search IC Wealth. Sign up. I have a full video that I take you through step by step. Click on the video that will pop up on the screen, or the link will be in the description box, and you can start investing into the Ghana Stock Exchange market. But if you want to invest into the US stock market, I mean only US stock market, then you can also use the Bamboo Investment app. None of this app has sponsored this video. I just found them to be useful when it comes to investing, and I want to recommend them for you. So do your diligent research and start investing with these apps. Alright, so if you want to invest into the US stock, buy Apple shares, Tesla, Facebook, enter into real estate, ETFs, then you can use the Bamboo Investment app. I have a full video about all these apps. Alright, you can click on the links in the description box, how to sign up, how to make the deposit, how to buy your first shares. It's very simple. The next app that you can use to invest into the Hong Kong stock, the Chinese stock, also trade options, is to use the Moomoo Investment app, guys. But how can you make a lot of money through investing? Alright, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Until then, hand to head, salute.
Way back before we blew it all, take me back to a place where